You're descending a long mountain pass. Suddenly, the brake pedal of the 40-ton truck behind you burns out. It's hurtling downhill at 120 kilometers per hour with no way to stop. In that life or death moment, the only thing that saves the driver isn't the brakes, but a strange gravel road jutting straight up the side of the mountain. Have you ever wondered how they actually work? How can a pile of gravel stop a massive piece of metal hurtling down like a bullet? Welcome to Simple Why. Today we'll explore the physics behind these life or death emergency escapes on mountain passes. To understand why these bizarre gravel ramps exist, we have to travel back to the late 1960s and early 1970s. The United States was rapidly expanding its massive interstate highway system across dangerous mountain passes like the notorious Monteagle Mountain in Tennessee and Wolf Creek Pass in Colorado. But as heavy 18-wheelers began hauling freight over these steep downgrades, engineers ran into a terrifying problem. A fully loaded commercial semi-truck can weigh up to 80,000 pounds. As a 36-ton monster rolls down a 6% slope for miles, the driver relies constantly on the brakes to fight gravity. That friction generates blistering heat. If those brakes get too hot, the pads glaze over, the fluid boils, and the system suffers catastrophic brake fade. Suddenly, you have an 80,000-pound missile hurtling down a mountain at over 100 miles per hour with absolutely no way to stop. Early highway planners thought the solution was simple. Build a paved ramp shooting steeply up the side of a cliff, assuming gravity would gently bring the speeding truck to a halt. But physics quickly proved them wrong. If a 36-ton runaway truck shoots up a smooth, hard-paved ramp, gravity might slow it down near the top. The moment it loses forward momentum, it rolls backward at terrifying speed, jackknifing, flipping, or crashing straight back onto the highway below. The truth is, those ramps aren't meant to stop trucks with gravity at all. They are designed to swallow them. Highway engineers realized they needed an artificial friction bed, borrowing an idea called an arrestor bed from high-speed racetracks. But you can't just use ordinary construction gravel. Sharp, crushed stones pack tightly together under pressure, creating a hard surface a truck would skim right over. Instead, engineers use a specialized layer of smooth, rounded river pebbles, each about an inch wide, piled nearly 2 feet deep, over a complex underground drainage system to prevent water from freezing the stones together. When an 80,000-pound beast plunges into this bed at 80 miles per hour, it's like throwing a baseball into a pool filled with dry beans. Millions of rounded stones instantly roll, shift, and spray into the air, transferring the truck's massive kinetic energy into pure rolling friction. This creates a staggering rolling resistance coefficient of up to 0.5, bringing the runaway truck to a complete safe stop within a few hundred feet. It traps the vehicle so tightly that it takes up to 3 heavy-duty tow trucks and a $5,000 towing bill just to pull it out. A small price to pay for saving a human life. A runaway ramp is a massive piece of engineering you might only see on mountain passes. But back in the city, engineers designed another life-saving device you stare at every single day, and its secret is hidden in its strange 8-sided shape. You might assume it was just a random aesthetic choice made by early metal fabricators wanting a sleek look. Or maybe city planners needed a wider geometric surface so they could slap 4 giant letters across the front. Or perhaps it was meant to stand out from the rectangular advertising billboards popping up along city streets. To understand why this unique 8-sided shape exists, we have to travel back to 1915 in Detroit, Michigan. The Ford Model T was flooding American roads, but modern traffic infrastructure was virtually non-existent. There were no electric traffic lights, no painted lane markers, and no standardized right-of-way laws. Intersections were chaotic battlegrounds where drivers constantly collided head-on. The very first stop sign installed in Detroit was a tiny, underwhelming white square just 2 feet wide with black lettering. Drivers routinely missed it, and collisions continued to spike. By 1923, engineers from the Mississippi Valley Association of State Highway Departments realized they needed a systematic, universal way to warn drivers of impending danger before they could even read a single word. They developed a brilliant visual hierarchy based entirely on geometric complexity. The mathematical logic was elegant. The more sides a sign had, the greater the danger it represented. A round circle, having infinite sides, was reserved exclusively for railroad crossings, the most lethal hazard on the road. The 8-sided octagon represented the second highest tier of danger, requiring a mandatory complete stop. Diamonds meant caution, while squares and rectangles were reserved for lower-risk informational guidance. But here's the mind-bending twist behind the octagon. Engineers didn't design the 8-sided sign for the driver staring directly at it. They designed it specifically for the drivers looking at it from the back. In the harsh winters of the American Midwest, heavy snowstorms routinely coat road signs in thick layers of white ice, making the painted text totally unreadable. Vandalism, mud, or peeling paint can destroy the word "stop" in an instant. But because no other sign in the world shares that unique 8-sided geometry, a driver approaching an intersection from the side, or looking at the back of the sign from an opposing lane, can identify it instantly. Think of it like the iconic silhouette of Batman or Superman. You don't need to see the emblem on their chest or the color of their suit. The moment you catch that distinct outline against a dark sky, your brain instantly knows who it is. By making the stop sign a unique geometric silhouette, engineers created a reverse recognition system. A driver on a busy main street can look across an intersection, see the back of an 8-sided sign, and know with 100% certainty that oncoming traffic has a mandatory order to stop, preventing deadly miscalculations before entering the junction. So, the next time you drive through a steep mountain pass or pull up to a quiet neighborhood intersection, remember, that deep bed of loose river gravel and that simple 8-sided metal sign aren't just random road features. They are invisible, life-saving masterpieces of engineering, designed to protect you when everything else fails. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden mechanics behind the world around you, hit that like button. Share this video with a curious friend and subscribe to Simple Why.